Hello, this is Clinton here with ClickFunnels. In this video, we're going to talk about the pre-made sections library. How to use a pre-made sections library to quickly add content to your pages. Now, what you're going to need is a ClickFunnels page, which I am into right now. And let's go ahead and jump into it, shall we? So let's say we want to add a new section. All right, so what we want to do is go over to sections, then click on add section. Now, once we get into add a new section, we need to select either actions or content. So we have actions, which we can just drop in there, or we can do content. Let's just go down a little bit. Let's just delete this part out. Hold on a second here. So let's delete that out. And then let's add content. Oh, that's pretty slick. All right. So feel free to play around with it in these two new things that you learned today, actions or content, by adding the sections. I think you'll be very excited when you play around with these. These are very cool, and they're already pre-made for you to suit to your needs and your desires. I think this is pretty cool. All right. Now this one is a action here, and let's do one more, and this is going to be content. Wow, that's powerful. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you need additional help or support with any of your funnels, please reach out to support by clicking on the link below this video at any time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and go be a funnel hacker.